talented, but Stephanie's looking at me like, what is he doing? He didn't say he was going to do that little beginning part. That's surprising. We are going to show you a whip with a pretzel twist. Basically, you're going to look like a pretzel. Follower and you leaders. All right? Hope you like it. But it is just a basic whip. The sequence of 8 count. Okay, so I'll show you that. Guys off the track. She does a coaster. Send her back to where it began. She does her ankle. All right? That's your basic whip. What the pretzel whip looks like is nothing like that, but it is the 8 counts that you're focusing on. Same forward. Sugar push to begin. 1, 2. Okay, as a leader, I'm going to raise her right hand, which is my left hand. And I'm going to go past her on her right side. So if you have someone who's never seen this before, she's going to be a little bit on edge. Like, what is this? It's pretty cool. Show it to her first, just in case. 1, 2. 1, 2. All right? This is in the middle of really the most complex part. So going front to back. Guys, you get off the track, okay, like a regular whip would do. 1, 2. Okay, she's walking forward, doesn't know anything about what he's going to do, but 1, 2. And what I'm going to do with my wrist, my right hand, let me go over here. What I'm going to do with this hand to get into it, so after sugar push, I'm going to turn my wrist over, okay, counterclockwise, and then go underneath the arm. That helps my elbow turn over, okay? So 1, 2. So it's a very quick beginning for this, but it's necessary. So when I sugar push, we're going to stop on 2, 5, 6. So 1, 2. Now, ladies, what you're going to do from here is you're going to turn to the right, just like you would on a normal basic whip. Guys, you're going to have to do something to make her turn as well. So we're going to add the triple after the 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 5 and 6. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. A lot going on there, okay? Obviously. Sugar push here. So guys, as you come through 1, 2, you're going to pass her. 1, 2. Now you're going to turn her to her right. You're going to back up down the track for 3 and 4. Okay, the right hand stays connected behind your back, but you're going to thread that hand through with the arm. We're going to go this way so you can see what I'm doing with my left hand, which is really critical for the next part. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This arm has to come through and send it back past her body frame essentially for the ending of the move. Now you are kind of holding on pretty tight on that, both hands, but you're not there very long. So go into 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Guys, I'm on my left, Stephanie on the right. And if you notice with Stephanie, she's twisted. She's not square on the track. She's not turned diagonal. She is twisted because she's right in the middle of the concept. So the rest of it is normal 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sugar push. We're going to add the rest. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? And all you're doing is pulling her through, turning her to her right, finishing the turn, and then she ends up right back where it started. So 5 and 6 here. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Raise her right hand. Continue push, turn, triple. All right, guys, back up, pull her through, and then just turn her continuously. Sugar push here. Guys, step up and go under, step back, raise the hand, send her through. We'll go this way. Sugar push. 5 and 6. So 1, 2, step back, turn her, send her through. Last time. Hope you like this. Stephanie keeps track of our subscribers. She's vigilant with this. Vigilant, I'm having a hard time talking. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Okay? Coming through. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. And she also likes thumbs up. Don't do thumbs down. She'll track you down. You might like that, but don't do it because she still doesn't like it. Thank you, my dear. That's a pretzel whip. Hope you like it. It's pretty complicated if you've never done it with someone before, but once you do it a couple times, your follower will never forget. So hope you like it. Hope you use it. And as always, until next time, keep dancing.